Hello, my name is Camelia Valdez, and I have the privilege of serving as the Passaic County Prosecutor. The Passaic County Prosecutor's Office is the chief law enforcement agency within the County of Passaic. The purpose of this video is to be able to walk you, members of the public, through the process of interacting with our office, should you ever have the occasion to do so. Specifically, we'll be discussing the role of the Office of Victim Witness Advocacy located within the Prosecutor's Office. The Office of Victim Witness Advocacy is charged with assisting witnesses and victims of crime through the criminal justice process.
The Passaic County Prosecutor's Office has two locations, one in Patterson and one in Totowa. The Patterson office is located within the Administrative Building Complex at 401 Grand Street on the 6th and 7th floors, with the reception desk located on the 7th floor. Family Court is located on the 8th and 9th floors of the complex. The County Administration Building is connected to the Passaic County Superior Court, which is located at 77 Hamilton Street. There is an interior walkway on the 3rd floor of the Administration Building that connects to the 2nd floor of the Superior Court. The Superior Court, also referred to as the New Courthouse, is where the criminal courtrooms, the Criminal Division Manager's Office, and pretrial services are located. The Totowa office is located at 30 King Road and primarily houses the investigative units of the Passaic County Prosecutor's Office. The Child Advocacy Center is also housed at this location. The New Jersey Criminal Justice Reform Act took effect January 1, 2017, essentially eliminating monetary bail in the state. With this act, New Jersey shifted from a system that relied principally upon setting a cash or bond amount as a condition of release to a risk-based system that is more objective. This new system determines whether the defendant poses a risk of failure to appear in court, poses a danger to the community, or poses a risk of obstructing justice by committing a new offense. If a judge determines that one or more of these factors has been proven, the judge can detain the defendant in the county jail until the case has been resolved. Alternatively, a judge could find that a defendant can be released and follow certain conditions, such as no contact with a victim or a witness, pretrial reporting, and/or counseling.
We understand that victimization can negatively impact many areas of a person's life, and that participating in the criminal justice system can be confusing, overwhelming, and difficult to navigate. The Office of Victim Witness Advocacy is a unit of the Passaic County Prosecutor's Office. Advocates are here to assist and support victims and witnesses as they cope with the impact of the crime. They can also help minimize any negative impact or inconveniences associated with participating in the criminal justice system. An advocate is a trained professional who can provide advocacy, information, practical assistance, emotional support, and guidance to crime victims and their families throughout the criminal justice process. The prosecutor's office has a team of victim advocates available to help. Several of our advocates are bilingual, English-Spanish, and the language line is also available for victims who speak other languages, including using American Sign Language. The Office of Victim Witness Advocacy provides victims and witnesses with case status notification and general information. It is important that you keep our office updated about any change in address or phone number so we know how to reach you to keep you updated and informed. You will receive some early notification by phone, but we primarily use letters for all notifications. The letters are generated from an automated system to let you know about court dates and significant stages of the process. A newer option that is available to you is to receive electronic notification through our Victim Witness portal, which also has a mobile app. When you get your first letter, it will include instructions on using the portal or downloading the free app. Advocates can also explain this process to you. Typically, a victim's attendance at court proceedings is optional. However, you will be informed if you are required to attend any hearings. Advocates are available upon request to accompany you to hearings for emotional support and to help you better understand the process. As a victim, you have the right to be provided a secure waiting area during court proceedings. A victim waiting room is available in the prosecutor's office for your comfort, should you need to wait for an extended period of time to testify at a hearing or while waiting for the outcome of a trial. There are options to help you recover your crime-related financial loss. Your specific situation will determine which options may be available to you. We can help you figure out your options and walk you through the process. Some of these options are crime compensation, restitution, and insurance payments. Prior to case resolution, you have the right to give input to the prosecutor's office. It is important to point out that while your input is very important and always considered, the final decision about resolving a criminal case rests with the Passaic County Prosecutor's Office. Crime victims do not have the authority to drop criminal charges or make the final decision about how a case is resolved. You may, however, provide input through a victim impact statement, either written or in person at the time of sentencing. You may speak with an assistant prosecutor or an advocate to give input on how the crime has affected you. While victim advocates are not licensed counselors, they are available to help you locate counseling services. Advocates can also assist you in providing referrals to other agencies and services that can help. The rights mentioned here are actual legal rights that are afforded to New Jersey victims of crime. They are listed in the New Jersey Crime Victims Bill of Rights and are given further weight through our New Jersey constitutional amendment. These are just a few ways that the Passaic County Prosecutor's Office can help individuals when they have become a victim of a crime. Knowing your rights and what help is available to you can help make the process a little easier to understand. There are many resources available to you, and there are people here who are ready to help.